flex your feet. Okay, now bend your right knee, keeping your foot flat. Stretch your arm out. Inhale as you go back. As you exhale, lift your right leg up, parallel to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and come down. Oof. It's harder when you lift it from the floor than when you push it out. Let's do the other side. Just a different way of doing it, that's all. So sit up, stretch your arms, lean back as you breathe in. As you breathe out, lift, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Ooh. Okay.